Mabuhay! We are the Group 10 discussants, the last group. My name is Vea Gonzalez, together with my groupmates Kizayalin Garcia, John Dolph Baez, and Marvelin Casinsid, and we'll be tackling all about the contemporary issues. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. So what is contemporary issues? When we say contemporary issues, ito yung mga problems or topic na kinakaharap natin that is happening in the present time and it remain unresolved. These issues are relevant to today's society and affects people's daily lives. They can be found in different areas such as politics, economics, society, even technology and environment. Since these issues are ongoing, they require attention, awareness, and action from individuals and also the communities. By understanding contemporary issues, it helps people become more informed and responsible citizens who can respond to current challenges. Now, we all know already what is contemporary issues. Let's proceed sa mga issues na kinakaharap ng maraming bansa ngayon.
What is social issue? Now, the social issue are the problems that affect many people's lives within a society. These include challenges that influence people's lives, relationships, and opportunity. Poverty and lack of access to education. Many people face financial hardship and do not have a proper access to educational resources, limiting the potential for growth and development. Mental health problems. Among youth, young individuals often suffer from mental health challenges that affect their well being and future prospects. Third, gender discrimination and bullying. Unequal treatment based on the gender and incident of bullying create an unfair and unsafe environment for many people.
Environmental issues is a challenge affecting the natural world directly from human action. These problems aims at human activities like for example is yung pagsusunog ng mga plastic at pagpuputol ng mga puno.
Economic issue involves problem in the production, distribution, and use of money and resources. When people lack access to job or fair income, it leads to poverty and inequality. Economic issue also affect national development and living standard. Here are the three types of economic issue. First, unemployment and inflation. Second, wealth inequality between rich and poor. Third, high cost of living.
Now let's proceed to our next issues, which is the political issues, the common one. Political issues are problems related to how the government leads and make decisions. These issues affect people's trust in the government and their participation in society. And we have here some examples of political issues. First is corruption in public offices. This happens when government officials misuse their power or public funds for personal gain. Corruption reduces trust in the government and prevents public services from reaching the people properly. Just like, for example, the flood control issues. That is another example for the public funds that they are using only for their personal gain. Next one is voters manipulation during elections. This refers to unfair practices such as vote buying, intimidation, or spreading false information. Voter manipulation threatens democracy kasi naapektuhan ito yung mga people's right to choose their leaders freely. Last is lack of transparency and accountability. Ibig sabihin, when the government actions and decisions are not open to the public or when officials are not held responsible for their actions, this make it difficult for citizens to know how decisions are made and how public money is used.
Health issues are defined as problem affecting the people physical, mental, or emotional well-being. Beyond individual suffering, for example, is yung mental health and depression.
Good morning, sir. My name is Marvin A. Sid. Technology and ethical issue. There These are problems caused by the social or negative impact of technology. Why technology make life easier, it also bring big births such as theft, misinformation, and problem creating and fake news, online scam, and hacking, all reflecting human job. Cultural and globalization. Cultural and global issues involve how globalization affect tradition, identity, and relationship amount. Contract where it connect people who world it can also cause cultural loss and inequality among nations.
To sum it up, contemporary issues are current and ongoing problems that affect our daily lives. So these issues shape our present and future, making it important for students and citizens to stay informed and involved. By understanding these topics, we can become more aware, responsible, and active in promoting positive change in our community and society.